Hey friend, hey, it's Britney Schanel. I know I haven't been here so long. I haven't sat down and talked to y'all. And like, I feel like it's been like 6 months, but I know it hasn't been that long. But y'all catch my drift. Anyway, I'm back with another Ulta unboxing, y'all.
Baby, I want this. I want this to last forever.
Once I sat down to film like a tutorial makeup video, because y'all know I'm not an MUA, I found that I didn't have any of the stuff that I typically use. Not any of it. Like, I had nothing. So I had to go read up on some stuff, and I'm here to show y'all what I got, as well as to create a face. Do something, child. But first of all, hold on. I have to go get lotion because I'm not trying to be on here looking like ashy, ashy. Okay, so don't come for me. My face not ashy. It's moisturized, baby. I see you over there hating. But yeah, so I know for a fact I did not get a primer. I just didn't get one because I didn't feel that I needed one. Well, because I have a lot. So we're going to go ahead and go in with our Milk Hydra Grape Primer. Yes, yes. And pump it onto our face. And yeah, oh, I put too much up there. I already did my eyebrows using the eyebrow stuff that I always use. Hey, how are you? I already did my eyebrows using this that I always use. If you're looking for a tutorial on that, go check out my page. So yeah, we have this on. Okay, y'all, I be smacking myself. So first up out the box, I got the Real Techniques Everyday Essentials Prestige Performance, like face and eye and cheek sets, which it looks like this. Ooh yeah. We will be using those brushes today. I had some of them. I only bought them. I have all of these brushes except this one. I just wanted this small one, and it was the same price. Well, this one right here. And it was the same price. I was like, let me just buy the whole thing. And I got two of the Real Technique Everyday Eye Essentials. I got two of these because they were on sale. Buy two, get one free. So since I got the face one and this one, I just got two. Because you can never have enough, eyeshadow brushes. So we'll definitely be popping into those bad boys. So this is what I was most excited about. So Ulta doing their fall savings event. They had these eyeshadow palettes on sale. They were like $22. So I got the Norvina ABH palette, the original, like the OG Norvina. I have one, but I want to give this as a gift to somebody. So you got to get your Christmas presents while you can, sis. And then I got the two of the Modern Renaissance ones. I didn't have one, so I wanted one, and then I got one as a gift. So we'll be using this today. So let's go ahead and bust this bad boy open. Yes, I have kids. I have 3 kids. Y'all, people on TikTok are all my business. Oh, and look at that. I never had this one, but it's like suede. It's like giving luxe vibes. Definitely that. And oops, it fell out. It comes with the double-sided thing like all of the ABH palettes do. The 12-pen palettes. Boom, boom. Cute, cute, cute. Is this 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14 pen palettes. So we'll be popping into this one today. And like I said, the other one is a gift for someone. So yeah. Y'all, I'm shamed because I really got all these eyeshadow brushes just because I didn't want to buy more brushes. So next up, I got this, I got this Morphe Eye Obsessed eyebrow brushes, like eyeshadow brushes kit. And it comes with, how many? 12 piece eye brush collection in a little pouch. So, more brushes. Y'all, if you want to complete my brushes for me for free, comment down below. Let your girl know. I need you to do it. Next up, I got these Neutrogena makeup removing wipes. Boom. They were on sale. Buy one, get one free. Doing that same fall savings things. I don't know if we'll need these today. If we do, then we'll use them. If we don't, then we won't. Okay, next I got a bunch of Ardell little 950 lashes, only because Maya Galore, who's here on TikTok, which I only got 3, she like swears by these, so I was like, I'm going to try them. I stan her. She's a queen. Go check out her channel. So I got 3 of those. We'll definitely be using a pair of these today. Of my Gimme Brow that I swear by in the shade 6, honey. We use this on our eyes today as well. Yes, ma'am. I got 2 of my favorite foundations, which are the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Mahogany, because I ran out, and that's not cute, sis. I was in California and I tried to do my face and I said, ooh, I don't got no more foundation. I had to take, like, I have all these like expensive foundations, whatever, but this is the one that I use like on a day-to-day basis. And it's only $10, girl. Go get you some. But anyway, I had to take the top off and like rub the stick on my face. It was a mess. So I had to re-up on those. I got a little pencil sharpener because my kids have lost my pencil sharpener, and it's Ofra black on. You know, we stand a black on business. And then I got some Essence Glass Princess, but the green one this time, I was like, I'm gonna be different. Okay, so this is what this looks like. Yes. Some Essence Glass Princess. Ooh, shout out to my nail tech, Mr. Nail Spice. He did his thing. Check him out. Then I got like a bunch of little lippies, lip liners, because, you know, we want our lips to pop, baby. So that's everything that I have from my Ulta haul. All together, I think I maybe spent not even $200 on all of this stuff. So I felt like I won. I scored. I did use $33 of like I had $33 stored up from my Ulta points or whatever. So I did use those $33, and I did also I had like a 20% off coupon. So all together for all of this stuff, I spent less than $200, which was a major win. I was especially excited about the palettes because I got them for $22 and they normally for only $45, and I love a good deal. I love a deal. If you tell me it's a deal, well, you didn't used to be like that, but now I'm becoming El Cheapo. Not El Cheapo, but just wanting to spend my money towards, like, I don't want to waste my money. So I want to spend my money on things that are, you know, worth it, basically. So that's everything that we have. Let me move all this stuff out the way. I'm going to be right back. So I'm not going to. Y'all, I have glitter on my lids. I'm going to zoom y'all in close yet again. That's the vibe, okay? Ooh, come through. Us too. I like it because she like how I'm cut too. Come through. Us too. Y'all got to get used to this short hair. Yeah. Anyway. What are we doing? We're going to go into red. Oh, I can't pronounce that. This one here. Red. Whatever that say, y'all. Red. That's what we're going to go into. And we're going to see if it's... Oh, I didn't prime. Not to prime is a crime. Okay, nigga tutorials. changes the vibe of that shimmer that we put on earlier. It's like a little bit of silvery. We're gonna pop in a bit of concealer, see if that changes the vibe at all. Okay, we're gonna go with this. Okay, so what did you like about this video? What should I try in the future? Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. See your mama, consistent auntie, everybody. And I'm still not satisfied with the lip. As y'all know, I never am. Y'all probably will see pictures with a different lip because I'm gonna keep working on it. I'm gonna try to do it some more till I get it right. But yeah, love you guys. See you on the next one.